YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are all family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bruh? What's up, cuz? Make sure y'all let me know down below how y'all are doing. So today, y'all, I am doing my husband's hair. Now, it's been a minute since I've done his hair, and he likes to sponge his hair and not do anything else to it, y'all. So it was a tangled mess. So I went on and shampooed him real good, and then you see me detangling him with some of that Miel. I want to say that's how you say it, Miel. Leave-in conditioner. Then I went ahead and washed that out, and now I'm getting him blow dried. His hair has grown so much, and y'all know that if y'all have been following his hair journey from the very beginning. If not, go back and check out a few of those videos. It's been a minute since he's had a trim, so I went ahead and got his ends off before I started braiding. Well, he really wanted some chunky twists, right? So I decided to go ahead and do triangle parts, and you'll see me now. I'm putting the shining gem around his perimeter, and then I just at first twisted it, right? And it was cute. It was giving what it was supposed to give, but I'm like, I didn't feel like it was gonna last as long, so I took that down, and you'll see me do a few of them like that. And I retwisted it, added a little mousse, and it was still, you know, not exactly how I wanted it. So you'll see as the video go on, I went back and I braided at the root. Now, if you do the twist the regular way and you don't feel like you need to braid at the root, by all means, keep twisting them. But I knew that those wasn't gonna last as long if I didn't braid at the root. So I decided to go ahead and braid at his root and then twist the rest of them down. Y'all will see me using the shining gem, of course, and then I'm using some mousse on his ends to hold everything together. And as y'all know, all the products that I use will be down below in the description box. You'll be able to find them on my Amazon storefront, as well as other products that I love to use. If you haven't already, head on over to my Patreon if you want a very detailed video on any hairstyle. You'll even be able to request hairstyles that you guys want to see. It's basically like a class online, like a virtual class. So head on over there as well. And yeah, you know your girl got y'all. So right here, you'll see me go back and take those other ones down and just braid at the root and twist his ends. Now, y'all, I know I am sounding so stopped up because I am. I had got a summer cold, y'all, and it has been whooping my butt. But overall, I feel amazing. It's just, you know, this last little bit has to pass. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all are staying safe out here. You know, I know COVID isn't a thing that's talked about anymore, but it's definitely still out here. So take care of yourself. Make sure you still washing your hands and being careful out here. By the time I made it to the front, y'all, I guess he was so tired. He nodded off on me. But it really didn't take too long to do this style. I'll say about an hour tops. It's really quick. And then you can just pre-section your hair out. Go ahead and part each part out. Go ahead and put the shining gem on each part. And so all you have to do is braid at the root and twist down. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for rocking with me as always and for watching my videos. If you have any style that you want me to do, just let me know down below and I will definitely get them done for you guys. I love y'all so much and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.